Hey, it's Austin Voken here over at Walser Subaru St. Paul, here to show off and describe more of our StarLink features through Subaru. Now, what is StarLink? StarLink gives the enhanced capabilities with your vehicle to be able to have the connection to your cell phone or mobile device as well, to be able to have enhanced safety and features for you. Now, benefit is that you get 3 years for free with the enhanced safety portions of it itself, so collision detection with the ability to have emergency roadside services. So if you get a flat tire, Subaru will help you out in those first 3 years, complimentary, with the ability to have an upgrade with the security portions as well. Now, the benefits with that, immobilization also gives enhancements to your vehicle. So that way, if someone were to take your car, you would then have an enhancement to be able to help find your vehicle much faster and even immobilize it as well too. So then that way the vehicle cannot continue to drive if they were to stop that vehicle, whoever were to take it from you. Other benefits with that enhancement give you the ability to have remote starter for your vehicle, so then that way you can also potentially, with digital climate controls and heated seat options of availability, have that enhancement to be able to turn on all of that prior to you arriving to your car. Also gives you the ability to lock and unlock your vehicle remotely, as well as have curfew and boundary alerts too. Now let's hop into actually more of how to do more of these advanced features with your vehicle. All right, taking a look on the inside of your vehicle, this 4th generation head unit will be able to give you that connectivity to be able to schedule services as well as roadside service for your car. Easy, at a click of a button, you'll be able to connect to the server and you're going to be on your way in no time. And taking a look up ahead, you'll also notice the SOS as well as informative button as well. Pressing one of these 2 buttons will connect you with a Subaru representative, whether in an emergency where you need to have emergency services right away, or having more of an ease of access to be able to schedule services, or if you do need some just general roadside service, like getting a flat tire changed out, someone will assist with you through that process as well. Other benefits will also include the connectivity with your mobile device, which let's hop into that and give you a little bit more of a demonstration as well. All right, so taking a look, we'll be looking at the MySubaru app that gives you the connectivity with the StarLink. So taking a look on this, you'll see health reports, ability to do quick start with the vehicles that have the capabilities to do so, lock and unlock, as well as location and horn and lights. Now, selecting through, you'll see the ability to read more into your vehicle. You can see different health reports, reading into what those health reports are, as well as being able to schedule the servicing for that right off of your phone to be able to have that connection. Benefit is that it'll even help you out with adding it straight to your calendar and making sure that you don't miss your appointments. With the ability to lock and unlock your vehicle at the touch of a code, you'll be able to have more connectivity to your car, that enhanced security, with confirmation once that has been cleared through the StarLink system. You can also have the ability to do horn and lights. With that, you'll be able to remotely start your vehicle as well if you have the CVT engine. Manual transmission does not have the capabilities, however, remote start also has the capabilities with dual zone climate to be able to do remote temperature, as well as if you have digital connections with your head unit for your heated seats as well, for like on the Outback or on the Legacy, you would have that connectivity as well. Other benefits too is that you also would have the connectivity to see different offers locally for your dealership, as well as having different alerts such as curfew alerts, boundary alerts, as well as speeding alerts too. So that way, if you're renting your vehicle out to a kid, or if you have a certain area that you want to have where if your vehicle were to leave, you have that connectivity and capability to be alerted straight to your phone. So that way you know if your vehicle is being outside of those boundaries. Thank you again for going over these features with me here on our Subaru StarLink Safety and Security Plus. If you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at WalserSubaruStPaul.com.